Hello foodies, please subscribe to our channel Food Fam and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Hello foodies, for today's video we are going to try out 5 minutes craft hacks. So for hack number 1, we are going to try cooking brownie with the help of a straightener. So here we have prepared a boat and in it we are pouring a brownie batter. Now we are placing it on the straightener. This took around 15 minutes to cook. A brownie is ready and it tastes like normal brownie. I'll rate this a 7 out of 10 because it took a lot of time. But yes, this hack is a success. Now it's time for hack number 2 and we are going to make mini pancakes. So we have taken a pan and in it we are adding pancake batter with the help of a bottle. To be true, this is very time consuming and it was very difficult to flip it around. Our mini pancakes are ready and now it's taste time. It tastes like a normal pancake. This hack does work and the pancakes look so cute. But I'll rate this a 7 out of 10 because it's very time consuming. Now for the third hack, we are going to make banana pancakes. Now we are going to cut the banana with the help of this stand. The stand we took was a little bit thick, so we needed to cut out the bananas properly. Now we are adding in milk, flour, cinnamon and a little bit of turmeric. Now we will mix it well. Now it's time to fry. Our banana pancakes are ready. And now it's time for tasting. This hack does work, guys. But according to taste, it tastes like simply banana. But if we add in some chocolate, melted chocolate, then it will taste good.